In this video, I am going to show you guys how you can add a YouTube video to your Shopify product page. Okay, you want to search for a video that you want to add to your product page, and for example, this video. Now, next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on share here. Okay, click on share, and then you want to click on embed, and then you want to click on copy. See, this is the code that we want. Okay, after you click on copy, then you have copied this code. Now you want to go to Shopify, click on online store in the left, click on pages, select the page that you want to add the video to, for example this page. Now you want to paste that exact code here. Okay, no, you don't have to paste it here, I'm sorry. You want to click on insert video. Okay, and then you want to paste that link here, that code here, and then click insert video, and the video will be here. Okay, you can then add the description, whatever product description here, and this is the video, guys. Now if this video, make sure you click on save in the top right. Okay, please, if you can leave a like on this video, that would be highly appreciated. See you guys next video.